What's up, ladies? Today we're gonna break down how to do a proper push-up. Let's go. First things first, when you wanna set up for your push-up, if you find yourself doing push-ups and your arms are super wide, and when you go down, elbows flared out like this, and your butt is super high, that's what we do not wanna do. So a simple way to set up for your push-up, one, get yourself a bench. It's an easier starting point. So for the bench, what we wanna do, we wanna make sure rather than our elbows being flared out, elbows close to us, and you're lowering your whole body at the same time. Keep elbows tight, lower, like so. Get really good there. If you need to, walk closer to make it a little easier. Remember, elbows tucked, drawing elbows down to your sides and back up. You should feel a little engagement in your chest. You should feel some in your triceps as you lower down. If you find yourself doing this number, you're placing a lot of stress on the front of your shoulder, which is what we do not want. So again, elbows lowering down like so. As you get really good here, then you can move the bench away, do the same thing to the ground. And you do not have to go all the way down in the beginning. We're here, good form, come back up. Get really good there. Over time, we can work our way all the way to the ground, all the way back up. Get really good there, same thing. Now a full-blown push-up, all the way to the ground, all the way back up. But ladies, let's stop doing this. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Till next time, peace.